In the grand theater of the Earth's geology, few spectacles can match the raw, untamed power of a volcanic eruption. As the planet's fiery heart reaches out to touch its crusty exterior, the results are nothing short of cataclysmic. Today, we journey back in time, unveiling the top 5 most explosive volcanic eruptions in recorded history. Brace yourselves as we embark on a journey where fire meets sky and Earth shatters under the weight of its own creation. We start our countdown a mere century ago in the year of 1918 with the eruption of Katla, located in the land of fire and ice, Iceland. This volcano, hidden beneath the Myrdalsjökull glacier, erupted with such force that it melted huge swaths of ice, creating a torrential flood known as a Jökullaub. Katla's eruption hurled ash up to 9 kilometers into the air, and the resulting flood was so powerful it swept away entire bridges. The eruption lasted for an astounding 24 days, a chilling reminder of nature's unyielding power. Next, we travel to the year 1883, to the infamous Krakatoa eruption in Indonesia. The sheer magnitude of this eruption was heard over 3,000 kilometers away, with the resulting pressure waves circling the Earth 4 times. The eruption obliterated over 2/3 of the Krakatoa island, and the resulting tsunamis claimed the lives of over 36,000 people. The ash cloud from Krakatoa affected global weather patterns for years, casting a chilling shadow over the globe. Our third stop takes us back to the year 1792, to the eruption of Unzen in Japan. This eruption resulted in one of the deadliest volcanic landslides in history. The city of Shimabara was completely destroyed, and the resulting mega tsunami caused widespread death and destruction. The Unzen eruption serves as a grim reminder of the destructive power lurking beneath the Earth's surface. Now we journey back to the era of the Roman Empire, to the year 79 AD and the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, Italy. This eruption is particularly infamous for the destruction of the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. The eruption unleashed a devastating pyroclastic surge, preserving the cities in a haunting tableau of ash and pumice. Today, the ruins stand as a stark monument to the destructive power of nature. Finally, we reach the most ancient and explosive eruption on our list, the eruption of Mount Thera in the Aegean Sea, dating back to the late 17th century BC. This eruption was of such magnitude that it obliterated the entire island of Santorini, leading to the collapse of the Minoan civilization. The Thera eruption, arguably one of the largest volcanic events on Earth in the last few millennia, left a profound mark on the course of human history. From the icy shores of Iceland to the sun-kissed Aegean Sea, these eruptions have shaped and reshaped our world in unimaginable ways. They serve as potent reminders of our planet's untamed power and the thin crust that separates us from the fiery chaos beneath. As we stand in awe of these cataclysmic events, we are reminded of our place in the grand scheme of the universe. For in the face of such explosive power, we are but spectators, watching the Earth write its own fiery history. As we continue our journey through the world's most impactful volcanic eruptions, let's not forget Eyjafjallajökull, the Icelandic volcano that brought the modern world to a standstill. The eruption in 2010 wasn't the largest in terms of magma ejected or the height of its ash column, but its impact was felt worldwide. Video begins. The eruption sent a plume of volcanic ash 9 kilometers into the sky, spreading across the northern hemisphere. This ash cloud grounded flights across Europe for 6 days, causing the largest air traffic shutdown since World War II. Over 100,000 flights were cancelled, affecting millions of passengers and causing billions in economic losses. Show images of grounded airplanes and stranded passengers. But the eruption of Eyjafjallajökull was not just a disruption to our daily lives. It served as a lesson to us all about the interconnectedness of our world. It showed us that even the most distant, seemingly isolated events can have far-reaching consequences. Not only did it disrupt air travel, but it affected global trade agriculture, and even the climate. Show images of disrupted trade, agricultural impact, and climate maps. So, as we marvel at the power of these natural phenomena, let's also remember the lessons they teach us. That we are all connected, that our actions have consequences, and that we must respect and prepare for the power of the earth. Video ends. Join us in the next scene as we wrap up our journey through the world's most impactful volcanic eruptions.